This video will cover event registration, including search function tips. Some functionalities may be optional and based on system settings. We're going to start under Volunteer, Search Opportunities. You'll land on the Search Opportunities page with the box to allow you to search by event name, keyword, or organization if you have an event in mind that you want to volunteer with. Next, we'll see some preset parameters. It's going to default to 50 miles of the zip code that's sent on the HR file, all upcoming dates, and all organizations. Now you can edit this standard setting. You'll see that virtual opportunities are default, but you can limit them to nonprofits located near me. You can also either contract or expand the search area in miles or kilometers as appropriate, or search all available locations for the most expansive search. Next, you can also change the center of focus with type ahead text and select a different geographic area. Additional filters may be based on system settings, such as you'll see here, My Causes if your system has them enabled and you've made selections within the My Account portal. My Skills, similarly as enabled within the system and set up under My Account. All other filters are set by the program managers, and they include event types, tags, categories, and where applicable, volunteer campaign information. Since I'm happy with these settings as they are, I'm going to go through and take a look at the events that are available and select event that allows guests. The inclusion of guests in an event is a system-wide setting and then available within the individual event creation flow, so whether or not you see guests is completely optional. Now here we'll see some information about the event, and if your system also offers donations, you see a cross-reference here to make a donation to this organization. I'm going to sign up for an event. We'll see here that this event has 3 occurrences. You can scroll down to see what they all are and select the date that's most appealing to you. I'm going to select the first one, and you'll see that this shift is already populated and you get to add this shift. Then you also see the option to add your guests. What you're going to do first is populate a guest list, a list of names to select from. First name and last name are mandatory, as is email, but the guests will only receive emails that relate to events in which they are registered. They will not receive other system emails. Additionally, you'll see a section here called Guest Note. This is a reportable field and can contain any value that's needed. Click Continue, and you'll get a modal that says that you have successfully added your guest. And now that you have added your guest to the list, you'll see that this one is automatically checked. We're going to click Add, and this will add the participant to the event. If you scroll down, you'll see your information that you've registered for 2 hours on this particular date. And if you scroll down further, you'll also see that your guest is registered for the same time. On the next steps, we're going to see event page privacy. The default setting is going to be Don't Show My Name. You can work with your CSM to change this if you would like. I'm going to click Show My Name. Then we have some custom questions that are required of participants. Click Get Started, select your answer, click Complete. There's question number 1. Each guest must answer the questions. You'll see a description of what the question set is for. Get started, new question. They don't have to match as far as the answers go. Then you'll see your benefiting organization and the option to add board membership if this is set up within your account. You can click Manage Your Membership. I don't have a membership, so it'll allow you to select your role and the date range that you fulfilled that role. I'm going to click Next. And now we have a confirmation page that allows you one last chance to verify that you've signed up for the shift and the hours that you want. Those are total hours, then your individual hours for yourself and your guest. If this information looks good, then you'll complete it and go on to your success modal, where once again you'll see the shifts you elected, the total number of hours, and your guests. You can either go to My Volunteering or add this event to a calendar. These are the calendars you can select from. Click your choice, select Add. And the final step will be how you can see your events that are upcoming that you've registered for. On the lower right side, there's a widget that says My Upcoming Events, and you'll see that they're listed in date order. This concludes our overview. Thank you very much for joining us.